Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Ford Taurus, and I will show you how you can lock the glove box, because I'm in a car business and lots of people were asking me where is the key for the glove box, right? There is like a keyhole located right here. This video will apply to any Ford Taurus made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Okay, now the answer to this question is quite simple. You have a Ford key fob, right? And on the back side of the key fob you will have a slide which you will push, and the blade will just pop out. Now this is the blade used to lock and unlock the driver's door, but it can also be used to lock and unlock the glove box. And I will show you now. And now it's locked, right? So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.